What's going on, gang? Welcome to the fourth dimension. How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. Right here we have a Dashcam, cross tour brand. Dashcam comes with front camera and rear. 170 degree angle, wide angle camera for the front. Small little LCD screen, motion detection. It has a G sensor, GPS option. This is the box you're getting. I had a dash cam in here before. This one right here, it turns on, but it doesn't turn on. See that? It's on right now, but it's not showing anything. Can't tell if it's recording. I only had it for like 3 or 4 months, dude. Like every now and then it'll work, but the screen is still messed up. And I didn't even press the power button. I don't know why it's turning on. Maybe that's the G sensor in this one. I had it right up here, right behind the mirror. It was behind the tent, but for some reason it just wouldn't work out. I emailed the company. I don't think I'm gonna get a new one. So it was a good camera at first, but now it's just trash. Now it's just complete trash. This is the cross tour. It's a little bit bigger than the 8mm. Your camera, you got your buttons on the side. These feel lightweight. They're very lightweight, both of these. They feel like this is the computer right here. I mean, there's a screen right here, and right behind here is the motherboard, the computer. So it's very light. It's like nothing's in here. Very hollow. That's what it sounds like. You can put that in there. Here's your rear camera. I'm gonna connect it with the, oh yeah, these are to turn the camera. So like if you want to angle it. There's your USB port. 3M tape that you're gonna use to stick to your windshield. You got some 3M tape. This for the front camera. Long ass USB cord, because you're gonna have to run the wires through your interior. This is the accessories box. I already opened this. It was the 3M tape and all that. Cigarette lighter port adapter. Another long ass cord. Just a small USB if you want to plug anything else into here. I'm gonna open this bag real quick. So I want to add real quick, the thing I like about the 8mm is that it has an internal battery, but this battery only lasts for like 20 seconds. This battery's going to come on when it detects anything. Well, the dash cam is going to come on whenever it detects any motion or anything that somebody bumped your car or something like that. That's when this is going to come on and it's going to record. That's what I liked about this one, but it went to poop. This one, it keeps cutting on because it's, I don't know if it's malfunctioning or whatever. This one does not have that feature. It doesn't have an internal battery like the 8mm, but this one should be a lot better, more reliable, because that went out and like it's working sometime and sometime it's not working. I can't deal with that. You don't want something that's sometiming, you know. Sometimes I work, sometimes I don't. So for this 7th generation Maxima, we have 2 cigarette lighter port adapters, one up in here, one in here. We're going to be using this one right here. We're going to run the wires. We're going to take the wire from the cigarette light port adapter. This USB is also going to go for my MP3 player. Oh, we have a delivery. Give me 1 second. Like I was saying, we're going to be running the wire. We're going to plug it into this cigarette light port adapter. We're going to run the wire through here. It's going to go right behind there. It's going to tuck in there. It's going to be barely noticeable. Let me see if I can get some light down there. I'm going to run it under there all the way behind here. This is going to flap open. You can stick your wire in there. You're going to let it travel through here, and it's going to go behind there. And the dash cam should end up right here or right there. Either way, I put it behind the tent because I don't want it to get too hot. And for the second wire that's going to hook up to the rear camera, is going to connect to, let me show you guys the dash cam. It's going to connect right here, and that one's going to go through here all the way through the top, through there, blah blah blah, through there, through there. It's going to point to the rear. That's how we're going to hook this up. Should take about 20 minutes. Now I'm only got one hand, and I have a headband and all that I can hook the camera up to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to skip ahead and I'm going to show you guys the outcome. Before I do that, let me explain. This does not come with an SD card. Now you can put a 32 in here, or you can expand it. The thing I already have memory cards lying around. But yeah, it doesn't come with a memory card. And let me turn it on real quick to make sure everything's working properly. I have it hooked up to the car already. Hard to do with one hand. Car on. And it's powered on. Up and down button. There it is. Left side. You got your OK button on the right. English. 30 degrees, not March. Please insert SD card. Camera looks okay, but from what I'm looking at, it looks okay. See what type of settings we have. Resolution, display mode, dual recording, loop recording, mirror image, motion detection, G sensor, audio. Good. I like to turn the resolution down so it can use up less space with the memory card, and you won't have to format the memory card as much. Display mode, you want to show the front and rear camera. That's what I like doing, just to make sure both cameras are recording. Dual recording is on. Loop recording, mirror image, HDR. You do not need that. You do not need HDR. GPS, I don't have the GPS attachment for it. Exposure is basically the brightness of the camera, kind of, in a way. Motion detection, turn that on. Oh, wait. Damn it. I'm gonna turn motion detection on. Audio on. Date, of course. G sensor, yes. Now can we get to the other menu that's right there? There it is. Oh, it's the same stuff. Oh, screensaver, date and time, beep sound, format, car license plate, frequency, time zone. Okay. We need to fix this real quick. But anyway, let me show you guys where afterwards, after I hook it up. I'll be right back. All right, we are back. If you hear that music in the background, please ignore that. That's my neighbor. We got everything hooked up. Like I said, that light did nothing. Like I said, cigarette lighter port adapter. Run the wire through there. Run it behind the carpet. Everything's tucked in. Tucked in through there. Wire above there. Camera's on, and it's showing the rear camera. Yeah. Other cable going through here. Through there. I had a hard time tucking it in there. Running it through the roof, through the interior. Rear camera's back there. Recording. Well, it's not recording yet. I got to put a memory card in here. One other thing I wanted to show you guys. Let me see if I can find it. All of that is from the old Dashcam, which I hope this one works out pretty good. Let me see if I can find this. So one thing 8min did, and I really appreciate this, they give you a memory card. That's the old dash cam. They give you a memory card and they give you one of these. They give you extra 3M. The cross tool does the same thing. They give you extra 3M, but they don't give you a memory card and they don't give you this. This helps a lot. My thumb is hurting right now because sometimes you have to press up in there, get your thumb up in there. But if you can use this. This can go straight up in there, tuck the wire in there, or pull back the interior weather stripping and insulation so you can stuff the wire through there. As you can see, it's completely in there. The wire's in there. Let me show you guys. It's in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's barely noticeable. Now this cross tour is a lot bigger than that 8min, so now when I have a passenger, they're gonna see this. And that's fine, you know, it's for your safety, it's for everybody's safety, so you won't get scammed out of insurance and stuff. But when I had that 8min, nobody knew that I had a dash cam because the 8min was right here behind the mirror. You have to be careful with where you're placing this one, because the first spot I had it in, it wouldn't let me adjust my mirror because it was so big. But the 8min sat right behind the mirror. The cords were hidden, the cables were hidden. Any electrician will tell you, you want your cables, no exposed wires, no exposed cables. Nobody knew I had a dash cam but me and like a few family members. But now everybody's gonna see this. But people outside won't see it. Other drivers won't tell because mine is behind the tent. That one is kind of behind tent. But that's about it. Now the last thing I need to do is put an SD card in here, a memory card in here, and show you guys the quality of the video. As you can see, you can't really tell looking at it through the camera, but it's pretty clear. And also, don't forget to pull your film off of the lens. I forgot to do that. Anyway, I'll be right back. So as you can see, pretty easy setup. The wires are so long, the cables are so long for you guys that have SUVs and crossovers, and you got that long extended roof, or you got big body old school Lincoln Town cars. That's why that wire is so long, so you can actually reach back there. As you can see, the quality is okay. It's not too bad. You can still understand what's going on, and you'll be able to tell who's at fault if you, God forbid, any one of us get into a wreck or anything. Another thing, be safe on the streets, man. No drinking and driving, please. No drugs and driving, please. Be safe. We got family we trying to get home to, kids, grandma, mom. Please, don't risk it. Get you a ride home. Call the police to take you home if you're drunk, man. Please. Anyway, camera quality is good. Video quality, good. Remember, this is 720p, by the way. I have it lowered. And all it takes is a memory card. That's all you need is a memory card. If you go with a 32, you're gonna have to be formatting it. But I'm gonna try a 64. It's a pretty good camera. I hope it lasts longer than this 8min did. And I hope the company messaged me back, because I already messaged them. I sent them a video of what was going on, but I haven't gotten any word back. That's not good. That is not good customer service. And it's under a full year warranty. Only had it for 3 or 4 months. So I hope this one lasts. This was recommended to me by a friend. Thank you, friend. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys get everything set up and everything goes well. Peace out.